learn weighted mean. The problem is given. So in the problem they given subject wise and weight of the subject. There are the three students: student A, student B, student C. So here we have to find who can get the award of the scholarship. So we have to find who get the award of scholarship by applying the weighted average mean. Okay, so what's the formula of the weighted average mean? Weighted mean equals to sigma xw divided by sigma w. Okay, here x-ray for marks obtained by the students. Here x-ray for marks obtained by the students. W for weightage. Okay, so we have to find the weighted marks of each student. Okay, so by following the formula we have to frame the table. Subject, weight, student A, student B, student C. Subject is accountancy, weight is 4. Okay, so student A again divided into two types. Marks obtained by the student denoted as X. We have to find the weighted marks denoted as XW. Marks obtained by students denoted as X. Weighted marks denoted as XW. Again the same to the C. Marks obtained by the student denoted as X. Weighted marks denoted as XW. Okay, so student A marks is 70. Student A marks is 70. 70 into 4 equals to 280. So next, second subject, quantitative technique. Weightage is 3. Student A marks is 90. So 3 into 90, 270. Next, POM weightage is 1. Marks is 50. 50 into 1 equals to 50. Next, computers weightage is 2. Marks obtained by student A is 60. 120. Okay. Now find the total weight. Sigma W equals to 10. Now find the student A weighted marks.
720.
Sigma HW equals to 720. Okay. So by following the student A sum, we have to find the average. HW equals to sigma HW value is 720, total weightage is 10, weighted mean of the student A is 72. Now find the student B weighted marks. Okay, so in the accountancy student B got 80 marks. In the quantitative techniques he got 75 marks. In the BCom he got 60 marks. In the computer he got 45 marks. Okay, so the marks obtained by the student B should multiply with the weights. 80 into 4 equals to 320, 75 into 3, 60 into 1,
60.
45 into 2,
90.
now find the total weighted average marks.
It's 95.
Sigma XW equals to 695. 695. So let's find the average of the student B. Six 95 divided by total weight is 10. Weighted mean equals to 69.5. Next, find the student C weighted average marks. So student C got 85 marks in accountancy, 75 marks in QT, 45 marks in BOM, 65 marks in computer. So we have to multiply the marks with the weight. 85 into 4, 340, 75 into 3, 225, 45 into 1, 65 into 2, 130. So the total weight is 740. Sigma X